This is the NeTV2. It's a high-powered FPGA development board for processing unencrypted video standards like DVI. It's related to my lawsuit against the US government to decriminalize open innovation in digital video. Currently, Section 1201 of a law from 1998 called the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or DMCA, makes it illegal to bypass content controls that are applied to nearly every digital video port today. As a result, while your phone has seen amazing innovations in the last 20 years, your television has remained stagnant and tightly controlled. Hey, I'm Bunny. I want to build a box that helps your TV do cool stuff like this. I'm a hardware hacker with a proven track record of developing and delivering products, and I've even written a couple of books on the subject. I grew up before the DMCA, back when it wasn't a crime to access knowledge and people shared more openly. This freedom to learn was instrumental in the development of my skills. I want to conserve these freedoms for future generations. Without them, I worry innovation and expression will suffer. The NeTV2 is a great development board for open video, but that's all it will ever be unless we prevail in court and change the DMCA. With the help of the EFF, I've already filed suit against the US government, but now we need your help to prove there is a commercial basis for open access to video. Help us prove they're developers who need essential freedoms to innovate amazing things by ordering your own NeTV2 board. You'll get a state-of-the-art FPGA development board that can process unencrypted digital video standards. Just like any other development board, the firmware is open to hack, but the lawful limit of its capabilities is ultimately up to the courts. Your support matters. Help us stand up to the closed content cartel and reclaim our right to innovation and expression. Spread the word and please back our campaign today.